Let's make the app now flow. So currently we are right here. I have to refresh the page to bring them to bring the music down and go to the next song. So let's do this. Home stretch. Let's do it. Boom, boom. So now we're going to add event listener for the pop-up player. So we can bring it back down. It can go up, it can go down. So let's go up player, add event listener. When it's listening to click, then I want a function just function. Sorry, no parameters. There we go. All right, we want PM player, play music player, skills, style dot transform equals translate y 0% though, 0%. Okay. All right, so this is show pop up player. Good. Put the semicolon. And now let's get it to pop down. Down player dot add event listener. Again, PM player. Dot here, we can go ahead instead of having to do that. Copy that. Paste it. This should only be a comment. Comment. Translate Y, and this is now going to be 110. Oops, 110%. And this is going to hide it. There we go. Semicolon that. And now let's get add event listener for the play / pause button. So I can make that work. All right. So let's go play pause button dot add event listener. Click. Again, function. Oops. I did it inside the quotations. There you go. Make sure it's out of it. And in this, if the song status I want toggle playback to be pause. So if the song is playing, I want to show pause. Else we're going to have play. Nice. Semicolon. Okay, remember to semicolon this. Let's check it out. Make sure we wrote it, coded it correctly. Ooh, I need my play up there. I need our play up there, but good. I'm glad it paused. And it came back down. Okay. Let's check it out. Boom, boom, and boom. Let's go ahead and keep going. And then we'll see if we have any corrections needed later. Hey, but that was good. It's popping up and it's coming back down. There we go. Let's see if this other song plays. Skills. Pauses and the window comes back down. Perfect, perfect. All right. Now this is final stretch. Change duration, forward and back. Let it flip through songs. Nice, nice. Oh, another tip though too. Let's see. See if there's an error. We can do this. 103. Says I got something on 103.44. Shows where my errors are at. Let's go. Let's just look at this 103 one. All right. So let's finish, and then we'll see what corrections we may need to make at the end. Okay. Last step. We've got a few last functions to create. We're going to define the change duration so I can go back and forth between songs. All right, so function change duration. Nice. Oops, song. Okay, so now we created the ability to change. Now I need to add the event listener so that it does it. So that's going to be okay. So we're going to go forward button, add event listener, click, semicolon, oops, function, nice. So this makes it move to next song. And then now we're going to call play song function. And now we want to be able to send it backwards as well. Or let's check, see if our forward is working. Add event listener. Function. Let's go ahead and copy this for our backward one, but with making adjustments. So we got, instead of +1, let's subtract 1. So it now moves to previous song. And then semicolon here. And now let's update the loop. Starts the song progress, set interval, update, second, boom. Okay, so now let's check it out. Let's test it, see if it works. Let's open it up. Again, fresh. Let's go ahead and put the console up just so it can show us the errors. Okay. My play button, nothing. Let's try this button. There's some other errors. All right, let's do one at a time. Play button. There's line 44. See how it says it there? So we can go ahead and go to 44. And 44, and there you go, false. Save that. Now let's check if that works. Nice, play button works now. Okay, now let's do this forward arrow. Boom, 147, 95, 30. So let's look around there. Sometimes the error isn't right where it's at. So 95, 30, song, duration. Here's my play song, and you see I'm calling a class here, so I need to put a period. So I forgot the period, and you guys might have forgot it as well. Let's save that. Now let's check it. Boom. Nice. Another error still. Okay. No worries. Let's look back because that was the last thing we created. The moving forward, changing duration. And here we can see I spelled the length wrong. It's TH. It's TH. Save. Okay. So now, hopefully that fixed it. There you go. All right, so in a part of coding, errors happen, no problem, but now you got this awesome audio player for you to work with. Nicely done. All right, enjoy.